Good morning from King's Dominion. We went to Busch Gardens yesterday and now we're here at King's Dominion and it is just as windy as it was yesterday. So we'll see how this park fares in the wind. Fingers crossed we get on Twisted Timbers, and that's about all I care about today. It's gonna blow me away. Wow. Holy smokes. Just a wee bit windy. Something interesting I didn't even notice, but Derek pointed out, is that King's Dominion has moved their security. So you used to come in and you'd have to do security immediately before scanning your ticket to go into the park. They've now moved the security way back, so there's a great space in between going through security and then coming through and actually scanning your ticket. It makes the process much faster and more seamless, way better. It's more like a Kings Island setup, so definitely a big improvement on like just entering the park. See my little person lagging back here? I'm not even close to Derek, he's like way out ahead of me. Per our usual agreement at King's Dominion, we do not rope drop any of the major roller coasters. No, we come directly into Planet Snoopy and we go straight to Joe Cool's driving school, which is one of my children's favorite rides at any park ever. It gets an extremely long line, so we come here first. Oh no, this is not a good sign. There are no cars anywhere on the track over here, so that is not a good sign. Oh, we're gonna be so disappointed if we can't get on this ride. This is my kids' like favorite ride. They've been talking about riding this ride forever, and it doesn't look like it's open. Unless like the cars are just hidden somewhere. It just doesn't look like they've actually put the cars on the track yet for the season. We'll keep an eye on it though. We'll ask around, see what's up. All right, we talked to an employee. He said the driving school will be opening just a little bit later this morning. So we're crossing our fingers and hopefully it opens and we can go catch it before it gets a really long line. If we do nothing else, the driving school's opening, and so today has been a success. I'm honestly slightly worried about doing anything else. We did see Dominator. It was testing. It was running excruciatingly slow, and now it's just sitting there. They aren't running it at all, probably because of the wind. Derek went to check out I-305 to see if it is up and running. I have a feeling it's probably not, but we'll see. Fingers crossed for Twisted Timbers. That's the only one I want to get on today. They're all sitting there. Green light, go! Yay! So how was I-305?
It's not I-305, it's Project 305.
Oh, sorry.
They have a cheesy sign over it.
P305.
Yeah.
How was it?
It was fine. Still smooth. Still forceful on that first turn.
Yeah,
Fun ride.
good stuff. Alright, we have broken free from Planet Snoopy World. Cool, baby. You get stuck over there forever. But we have broke free and we're heading over to Twisted Timber. It's operating! And there it goes. Let's go get on Twisted Timbers. Yes! Twisted Timbers, amazing as always. Absolutely fantastic. A little bit of a longer wait than we were anticipating because they only have one train on the track. I mean, they were keeping the line moving. They were doing a really good job, but still waited a little longer than we were anticipating. Waited like 45 minutes to get on that thing. Worth it though. Now that Braylon is 54 inches, she can ride pretty much everything everywhere we go. So that means she can just stop crawling now, right?
No,
Right?
no, I just crowed.
Aww. You're cute. You're a crazy driver. So the go-karts are completely fenced off with like a solid wooden fence. They're losing their umbrella. My horsey's a little bit pollinated. What is it about these walls that everybody wants to walk on them? Alright, so we are going to head out of King's Dominion. We did quite a lot actually, but now a whole bunch of the rides are down because I assumed the Wind, Intimidator, well okay sorry, Project 305 is down. Dominator never opened as far as we could tell, and a bunch of like the big flat rides just never opened just because it's very 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 windy. So the amount of things that people can ride, the list is shrinking, so the lines for all the other rides are getting longer and longer. So glad we got in and got on what we wanted to first thing in the morning. Now it's time to head home.